What kind of your thoughts on how we can the ecosystem can support a transition into greener manufacturing, and also your thoughts on what policy would be kind of enabling this transition in a very effective way? Because at the end of the day, we'll have to balance sustainability and affordability together.
In my opinion, to become competitive in the small molecule manufacturing, I always feel use of flow chemistry, continuous manufacturing, and use of biocatalysis in the small molecule manufacturing will put the country in the forefront. See, if you look at everybody talks about sustainability. If you have to become a sustainable company and put a sustainable product, it has to be cheaper, it has to be cleaner, it has to be greener, it has to be safer. That means you have to make your processes cleaner, greener, and safer, and also cheaper. If you say, I'm a sustainable company, sustainable product, but pay me 20% more, nobody is going to pay. So, for you to become competitive, you have to embrace all these technologies, use biology wherever is feasible, use continuous manufacturing wherever is feasible. I think if you use these technologies, I think country will make good progress.